The fourth Eastern Economic Forum kicks off on Tuesday in Russia's far eastern port city of Vladivostok. Chinese President Xi Jinping is paying a visit to Russia at the invitation of his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin. They are scheduled to meet in Vladivostok, which is the third meeting between the two presidents this year. It is also the first time for the Chinese head of state to participate in the annual forum. The theme of the three-day forum is the Far East, expanding the range of possibilities. World leaders and business tycoons from over 60 countries gathered in the port cities to share ideas on such topics as international cooperation and industry priorities in the Far East. Chinese ambassador to Russia Li Hui said in a recent interview with Xinhua, and I quote, "At present, China-Russia relations are at their best in history. Mutual support for major initiatives and development strategies, as well as the two heads of state attending significant events held by each other, are important manifestations of the high-level bilateral relations." Against the backdrop of protectionism trends across the globe, President Xi Jinping's presence in the forum shows that the partnerships of mutual benefit will promote regional economic development, and it is the right choice to stick to the principle of mutual benefit and win-win outcomes, improve cooperation arrangements of the regional economy, push for trade and investment facilitation, and jointly build a community with a shared future for mankind. The trip marks President Xi Jinping's seventh visit to Russia since 2013, and it is also an important high-level exchange between China and Russia in the second half of this year. Since the beginning of the year, China-Russia ties have been on a more active momentum of development. Between the January-July period, the bilateral trade between the two countries increased by 25.8% year-on-year to $58.35 billion. The trade volume is expected to exceed $100 billion this year. The two sides have also established an intergovernmental commission for expanding ties between northeast China and the Far East and Bakai region of Russia, implemented 28 projects of cooperation across various fields, and are working together on projects related to interconnectivity and infrastructure.